Hi guys, welcome back, and we're here at the 𝗿𝗿𝗰𝘂𝗱𝘂 Expo Center. All us men here. Got 𝗿𝗿𝗰𝗂𝗱𝘂𝘂 and Dad from 𝗿𝗿𝗰𝗂𝗋𝗃 Russian channel, and we're going to go and check out it's like our welding and metalworking expo called Mash, I think. I haven't worked out what that is yet, so come along with us and we'll see what's there, what kind of equipment they've got, and maybe we can even find a welder or something that we've been looking for a bit. So let's get going. We've all got our little
let me in things.
Yeah, these are the cards.
То есть вот они, три режима сварки. Ручная, эргонодуговая, полуавтоматическая, ручной режим и синергетика.
So for this welder down here, it's 3-in-1 big welder, 98,000 or just over 98,000. A lot of very interesting robotics here. Big machinery that's not really in our kind of range, not the sort of stuff we're looking at, but there's a few interesting things around, that stuff that we may end up getting one day.
510 градусов плавления материала. То есть это тугоплавки, инженерные пластики можно использовать. От воска, там как литейщики используют, до уже инженерных материалов.
Сами только продают технику, не имеете?
Мы являемся разработчиками и производителями.
3D-сканер Engine Pro 1 490 000 сейчас.
Well guys, it's looks like it's mostly big machinery here for companies and things, not so much for your workshop sort of stuff. So yeah, pretty interesting, but not particularly useful for us. We did find a like a 3D printer place that was pretty interesting. That model, the demo printer that was there, is 350,000 rubles at the moment, and they said that we can probably get it for 250,000 at the end of the show, which is a pretty big discount. So yeah, anyway, we're gonna have a look at a few of the last machineries and then probably head off. Dad's gotten a he's getting an electronic massage. It's got a special card in the back. Contact. Is it good?
It's like a yeah, sharp vibration. It's like a little shock. You feel it. Good empty machine, man.
𝗿𝗿𝗰𝗂𝗱𝗂𝗰𝘁𝘀 раз. Это медицинский аппарат.
общения. Если больно
Это очень странно.
Вы по-русски не понимаете?
Ну да, немножко. Мы говорим, но...
Физиотерапия, массаж и миостимуляция мышц.
18 400, если заказывать. Пока мы здесь на выставке, 15 800.
Снотоктыши, подагра, шпоры, диабет, варикоз, судороги, фитнес-программа.
Wow. To start off with, it just felt like I was getting stabbed.
Хорошо прорабатывают мышцы, снимают мышечный спазм, убирается любая боль на программе ЧЕЛС. Не нравится это, пожалуйста, вот такая программа.
It's like getting an electric shock. It's like a strong pulse. Oh, there we are, electrotherapy. Very interesting. I did not expect to see that here. So guys, that pretty much wraps up the expo. It was a pretty small one, I reckon, and not a whole lot that was particularly interesting to us as far as buying anything. It's quite a more heavy duty industry sort of stuff. But yeah, we just saw like a car yard, looks like, so we're gonna go check that out while we're here and see what's there. Very new. Oh yeah. Well guys, it looks like it's all a little bit out of my budget, so we won't be buying a new car from here, but they are all very shiny, and over there they had a Land Cruiser with the front windscreen blacked out, which you just could not do in Australia. You would, your car would be crushed before you knew it. Well, at least you'd have it yellow stickered straight away. Certainly something you see quite a bit around here though. Well, it looks like Dad's found our next car. Wow. Is that even legal? I'm pretty sure my wheelbarrow has bigger wheels than this.
Wow. Wobbles, feel like that.
It's just basically the premium model.
It gives you the feeling of my dad had like a 𝗿𝗿𝗰𝗀𝘀 move,
Yeah.
and when you got up to like about 120 in it, the whole, like you could see the whole thing racking, like it would just twist. It's crazy, and that's what this feels like when you hop in it. What was your thoughts on the expo?
I mean, it's more industrial style tools. We're a little more for, you know, farm and workshop tools. So, but you know, all the stuff's available here, so that's a good thing. But just not our particular what we're looking for.
How about you, Josh? What did you think of the expo?
Probably the most interesting thing was the electronic massage.
That was crazy. Do we want to still get one of those?
Neck's feeling very relaxed. You know, I had to like put my head back up every now and again.
Yeah. Yeah, that massage thing was something else. Felt like getting stabbed with a bunch of needles or something.
Yeah.
There was like a certain like range where it was like really good, and like as it built up to it was like almost a little bit uncomfortable.
It's really funny watching you. You were just like shaking.
I was, eh? I was like, I couldn't stop it either. Felt like being tasered. Well, how I imagine it would be being tasered, because I've never been tasered. Anyway, we hope you guys enjoyed the little outing. I certainly had a bit of fun. And yeah, don't forget to leave your comments down below what you thought, and we'll catch you on the next one.